Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P11, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings application. From here, we're gonna navigate to storage, right over here. Tap on this drop down right over here where it says this device and select SD card. Now for me, it tells me that I need to set it up, so I'm gonna do so. And by setting it up, it automatically tells me that I need to format SD card. So, okay, fine. Now this probably wouldn't be the typical thing that you will see, so I'm gonna let this format and I'm just gonna go back to SD card. So from here, you would select Files, and then you can tap on three dots and select Storage Settings, where you'll see Format option, Format SD card, and again, the same kind of process will happen. From there, click on Done, and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.